going to blow up all that. That's right. With a special guest from Xbox Live Party Chat, Dominic Hurley. Yeah, but he can't upload any videos because he doesn't remember his password. Close up. Start the bombing!
Wait. Viewers, it's probably an 11 by 11 TNT square all the way down to bedrock.
Let's do this.
Oh wait, we should set up a redstone connection.
Just don't do!
Wait.
No, just do a redstone torch and then fly up to me.
Okay, get in the bomb shelter.
No, I don't have to. No, I need to watch it from here. Just blow it up now.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dun 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 dun.
Oh my god.
It's glitching out.
Oh my god, this still loads of TNT left. Oh, slide down this one. It's over. Slide down.
Emily, use my controller and fly down it. Come on, Emily, go down. Emily, careful,
I
Emily.
think we blew up a few diamonds.
Okay, Emily, that's okay.
I found some butter.
That now is amazing.